Alright, so today I'm going to quickly do something quickly and show you my car, because I decided why not get to know it before we start ripping it apart and doing all this shit to it. So here it is. Of course you guys have seen it, but yeah, it's a 2005 Ford Focus and it is good. Yeah, you saw the Plasti Dip video I did on it. It looks good. It's still there. It went all the way to Vermont from North Carolina and back without a single scratch on it. Yeah. There are some pieces that I need to like fix up, like right there. I need to get that fixed up, but other than that, it's pretty good. Christmas gave me purple seat covers though. I don't really care though. Whatever. It's not fucking gay or anything, right? That's still there. Everything's still on it and went all the way there and back. It's relatively reliable. Relatively. No, I'm kidding. And I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. I'll go ahead and also do an exhaust clip with it too. And that's pretty much that, you know. Doesn't sound that bad, you know. It's good. It's nice. I like it, and soon I'm getting coils, so this absolutely massive wheel gap is gonna go away. That's like 2 shoes. So yeah, thanks for watching.